Blaming corrupted files for error 0xC0000005, the truth runs deeper. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling Minecraft error code 0xC0000005, a crash error that often appears when launching or running the game. This error is usually linked to memory access violations, corrupted game files, or outdated drivers. With proper steps, you can resolve it quickly and get back to exploring your Minecraft worlds without interruptions. Method 1. Disable the DEP. Data execution prevention can cause the exception access violation error, which prevents the game from starting or causes crashes during gameplay. This happens because DEP blocks certain memory operations that Minecraft, especially older or modded versions, tries to perform. Follow these steps to disable the data execution prevention. Go to the control panel and then select System. Then move on to the Advanced System Settings. Now choose the Advanced tab and under the Performance option proceed to choose Settings. From the next options displayed, choose the Data Execution Prevention option. After that, choose Turn on DEP for all programs except those I select. Choose Add and then point towards Minecraft. After accomplishing the entire task, check whether your issue is solved this way. Method 2. Run Minecraft Launcher as administrator. When you get Minecraft error code 0xC0000005, first try providing administrative privileges to the launcher. Here is how to do so. Right-click on the Minecraft Launcher shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Method 3. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. The next thing you can do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers, as outdated graphics drivers can trigger such errors. Follow these steps to troubleshoot the graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver, select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any update is available, download and install them. Method 4. Clear Minecraft cache. Cached local files may conflict with Minecraft and cause the error. Clearing cache forces Minecraft to rebuild fresh data. Follow these steps to delete Minecraft cache. Press Win+R, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Open the Minecraft folder, delete the cache subfolder. Restart Minecraft. Method 5. Disable firewall. Sometimes your firewall protection can interfere with Minecraft and create problems with the Minecraft launcher. So disable the firewall or any other antivirus program you are using for the period, and this can solve the problem. In the Windows search bar, enter Windows Defender Firewall and select the topmost option. Select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Now click on the radio buttons for Turn off Windows Defender Firewall option. Make sure to do that for both the private and public network settings. Method 6. Disable overlays. Overlay apps hook into the game and can cause Minecraft error 0xC0000005. So disable overlays. Here is how to disable Xbox overlay. Press Win+I to open settings. Navigate to Gaming. In the Gaming section, select Game Bar. Toggle the switch, allow your controller to open Game Bar to off. Also turn off the settings next to it. Still under Gaming, go to Captures. Turn off capture audio when recording a game if you don't use them. Restart to ensure the overlay is fully disabled. Launch Minecraft again and check if the launcher stays open. Method 7. Repair or reset Minecraft launcher. If the launcher itself is corrupted, repairing or resetting it can restore functionality without reinstalling the entire game. Follow these steps. Press Windows key +I to open settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Minecraft Launcher. Click on it and select Advanced options. Choose Repair first. If the issue persists, select Reset. Relaunch Minecraft Launcher as administrator. Method 8. Initiate a system file checker scan. Next, try to mend a few system files with the help of the System File Checker utility in Windows. The system repairs the corrupted system files, so you can run a scan to fix Minecraft to come out of the issue. Type CMD in the search box and open elevated command prompt. First type DISM.exe /online/cleanup-image/Restorehealth in the prompt to run the deployment image servicing tool. Then press Enter. Next, enter sfc/scannow in the command prompt and hit the enter key to commence scanning. This time you need to wait patiently as it will take approximately half an hour to finish the process. Make sure you do not press any button or try to commence any task before the process gets fully completed. Finally, restart your PC and check whether this could solve your problem. Method 9. Reinstall Minecraft Launcher. If none of the methods could help you fix the Minecraft error, uninstall any Minecraft launcher present in your system and then reinstall Minecraft. Follow the steps to do so. Open Windows Settings, then Apps, then select Installed Apps. Find Minecraft and click on the three dots menu. Select Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the uninstallation process. Reinstall Minecraft, and this time you should not confront any error. Make sure not to install the Minecraft launcher from any third-party website. Else, you may get the same error. Install it from the Microsoft Store directly or the Xbox app. And that's how you fix the Minecraft error code 0xC0000005 by repairing game files, updating drivers, checking mods, and ensuring your system is stable. You will eliminate crashes and restore smooth gameplay. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical Minecraft and Windows fixes, and share your own troubleshooting tips in the comments because your solution might help another player too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.